The city of Slavutych is one of the youngest cities of Ukraine. It is located between the Desna River and the Dnieper River, among pine forests. Slavutych is located 40 kilometers west of Chernigiv and 120 kilometers north of Kyiv. Construction of the city of Slavutych began in 1986 after the Chernobyl accident. At that time, the city was built by 8 Soviet republics, architects and builders from Russia, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Armenia, and Ukraine. The city is divided into 13 neighborhoods, each with its own distinctive architecture, atmosphere, and flavor. Currently, the population of Slavutych is about 25,500 people. Before the closure of the Chernobyl nuclear power plant, most of the adult population worked there. The Chernobyl nuclear power plant is located 50 kilometers from the town of Slavutych. On March 25, 2022, after several days of shelling, Russian troops entered the town. They seized the hospital and detained the town's mayor. But locals took to the streets of the city to protest the occupation. On April 2, 2022, Russian troops left the city, and Slavutych is again under Ukrainian control.